What if you could build a second income that arrives every year without you working a single extra hour? It sounds like a fantasy, but it's built on a number that sounds like a rounding error, $250 a month. That's not a lottery ticket, it's the raw material for an unstoppable financial engine. The engine isn't a secret strategy, it's compounding, and the reason most people never turn the key is that the destination feels too far away. We're here to give you the map. This channel doesn't sell motivation, it gives you the map. The idea of investing $250 a month feels pointless because your brain is wired for feedback. When you spend $250, you get an immediate signal, a new pair of shoes, a nice dinner. The reward is now. Investing is the ultimate act of delayed feedback. You put the money away, and for the first several years, the signal is barely detectable. It's slow. And in a world of explosive financial headlines, slow feels identical to losing. This is the trap. The feeling that small amounts are pointless, the craving for immediate results, and the paralysis from perceived complexity. These are the barriers. People abandon the single most powerful financial mechanism they have. If that feeling of being stuck, of being paralyzed, is familiar to you, take 1 second right now and type the word START in the comments below. It's a small action, but it's a declaration to yourself that you're ready to break the inertia. And while you're down there, hitting subscribe will ensure you don't miss the exact mechanics we're about to break down, turning this abstract idea into your concrete reality. The modern world is actively working against your financial future. The constant stream of financial news, the hot stock pick, the crypto that's going to the moon, the friend who made a fortune on a risky bet, it's all noise designed to make you feel like you're missing out. It preys on your desire for immediate explosive gains, but that's not investing, that's speculation. It's gambling. The boring, almost secret truth is that wealth isn't built in a day of frantic trading. It's assembled over decades of disciplined consistency. The secret isn't a secret. It's compound interest. Let's break down the mechanics. Simple interest is linear. You invest $1,000 and earn 10% a year. You get $100 every year. It's predictable, but it is not powerful. Compound interest is where the mechanism begins to work. You earn 10% on your $1,000, and your balance is $1,100. The next year, you earn 10% on the entire $1,100. You make $110. Your earnings have begun to earn money on their own. Think of it this way. Every dollar you invest is a worker. In the first year, your contributions go out and work for you, bringing back friends in the form of returns. The next year, both your original workers and the new ones they brought back go to work. It is a snowball. For years, it feels pathetic, but as it rolls, it gathers mass. The bigger it gets, the more it gathers with each rotation. And after decades, the pathetic snowball becomes an avalanche of capital. We are going to give this power to you. We will have you invest $250 a month into a low-cost, broad market index fund, like one that tracks the S&P 500. This is simply a fund holding stocks in 500 of the largest U.S. companies, offering wide diversification across the U.S. large-cap market. For this illustration, we will use a hypothetical 10% average annual return. This is critical. The market does not return 10% every year. Some years it's up 20%, some it's down 15%. This is a long-term historical average used to demonstrate a principle, not a forecast. Real-world returns will vary. The numbers are for illustration. The principle is ironclad. Let's begin the journey. You're 25, you start now. Another version of you, your friend Ben, waits. He thinks $250 is pointless. He decides to start at 35, a 10-year delay. Let's find out what that delay costs. Your journey, the boring first decade, ages 25-35. You set up the automatic withdrawal, $250 a month. After 10 years, at age 35, you have contributed a total of $30,000. Your account balance is now approximately $52,200. The market has added $22,200 on top of your deposits. It's a nice sum, but it does not feel like a fortune. At this exact moment, Ben, also 35, decides he is finally ready. He starts investing the exact same $250 a month. He looks at your $52,200 and thinks, I can catch that. He isn't worried. He thinks he is only $30,000 behind in contributions. What he doesn't understand is that he isn't just $30,000 behind, he is a full decade of compounding behind. He is trying to catch a snowball that has already been rolling for 10 years. The journey continues. The great divergence. Age 45. Now both of you are investing $250 every month. You have invested for 20 years, contributing $60,000. Your portfolio is now worth approximately $189,000. Ben's status, age 45. He has invested for 10 years, contributing $30,000. His portfolio is worth approximately $52,200. This is where the paths truly diverge. You are not ahead by the extra $30,000 you contributed. You are ahead by over $136,000. Why? Your army of dollars had been working and multiplying for a decade before he enlisted his first soldier. For the first time, your accumulated balance is generating more in a single year than you are contributing. At a 10% return on $189,000, your account can generate $18,900 in growth. You are only adding $3,000. This is the crossover. The account has become the primary engine of its own growth. You are now a minority contributor to your own wealth. The point of no return, age 55, more years pass. You both turn 50. The difference is no longer just on a spreadsheet. It's becoming visible in your lives. Your status, age 50, having invested for 25 years, you've contributed $75,000. Your portfolio has grown to approximately $331,000. You're starting to feel a new kind of freedom, the freedom from financial anxiety. At Ben's status, age 50, after 15 years, he's contributed $45,000. His balance is around $104,000. He's proud of his six-figure account, and he should be. But when he looks at your number, a cold knot of dread begins to form. He contributed only $30,000 less than you, yet you are ahead by $227,000. He starts to realize he isn't just chasing your contributions, he is chasing time, and time is undefeated. The shocking gap, the avalanche, age 55. This is where the gap becomes a chasm. The snowball is an avalanche now. You, age 55. After investing for 30 years, your total contribution is $90,000. Your portfolio has exploded to approximately $565,000. Your financial conversations are about when to retire, not if. Ben, age 55. After investing for 20 years, his total contribution is $60,000. His portfolio is worth approximately $189,000. He's doing well by any normal standard, but he is living in a different financial universe than you are. You contributed just $30,000 more than Ben, but your portfolio is worth $376,000 more. The final act, 2 retirements, age 65. This is the end of the road. 40 years of work are done. Let's see the final tally. You, age 65. After 40 years, you have contributed a total of $120,000. Your final portfolio value is a staggering $1.48 million. Ben, age 65. After 30 years, he has contributed a total of $90,000. His final portfolio is approximately $565,000. Look at these two realities. Ben has achieved a comfortable retirement. It is an incredible success, but you are living in a different world. You have nearly $1 million more. That extra $30,000 you contributed in that first decade, the money Ben thought was too little to matter, was leveraged by time into an extra $915,000. Ben will spend his retirement haunted by a single question. What if I had just started then? The most important factor was not the money. It was time. Section 4. Addressing your objections. Now, I know what some of you are thinking. It's easy to feel skeptical. Let's tackle those objections head on. At objection 1, that 10% return is too optimistic. You're right to be cautious. The 10% is a long-term historical average, but let's stress test the model. Let's run the exact same scenario with a more conservative 8% average annual return. You, at 65. Starting at 25, your $120,000 in contributions would grow to approximately $870,000. Ben, at 65, starting at 35, his $90,000 in contributions would grow to about $375,000. The final numbers are smaller, but look at the gap. You still end up with nearly $500,000 more than Ben, all because you started 10 years earlier. The principle remains undefeated. The cost of waiting is catastrophic. At objection 2, what if the market crashes right after I start? This is a feature, not a bug. When you are automating your investments every month, a market crash means your fixed $250 is buying more shares of the fund at a lower price. Think of it as your favorite store having a 30% off sale. You don't panic. You get more for your money. People who build wealth don't fear market downturns. They systematically take advantage of them without even thinking about it, because they are automated. At objection 3, I don't have $250 a month. Then start with $100. Start with $50. The math still works. Let's say you only invest $100 a month starting at 25. By age 65, at that same 8% return, you would have nearly $350,000. The person who waits until 35 to start investing $250 a month, 2.5 times your contribution, ends up with just $25,000 more than you. You almost completely closed a massive contribution gap just by giving your smaller amount of money more time. The variable that matters most isn't the amount, it's the start date. Section 5. How you can actually do this. The 3-step blueprint. This is not a secret for the wealthy. Here is the blueprint. Step 1. Open the right account. You need a structure. For most people starting out, the most powerful option is a Roth IRA. A Roth IRA is a retirement account where your contributions are made with after-tax money. This means your investments grow completely tax-free, and when you take the money out in retirement, it is 100% tax-free. To get this benefit, you generally must be over age 59 and a half and have had the account for 5 years. For 2026, the contribution limit is $7,500 for those under 50. So your $250 a month or $3,000 a year fits perfectly. Opening an account at a major brokerage like Fidelity, Vanguard, or Schwab can be done online in minutes. Many have no minimums to start. Step 2. Buy the right investment. Follow the plan. A low-cost, broad market index fund. An S&P 500 index fund is the classic choice, available as a mutual fund or an ETF. You are instantly invested in 500 of the largest U.S. companies. The key is a low expense ratio, the annual fee. Many S&P 500 ETFs have expense ratios of 0.03% or even lower. That means for every $10,000 you have invested, you're paying only $3 a year. This is crucial because it ensures your money is working for you, not being eaten away by high fees. Step 3. Automate everything. This is the most critical step. This is what protects the mechanism from you, from your emotions, your fear, and your forgetfulness. Do not rely on willpower. Log into your new brokerage account. Set up an automatic transfer of your chosen amount, $250, $100, whatever it is, from your bank every month. Then, set up an automatic investment of that cash directly into your chosen index fund. This set it and forget it process takes maybe 15 minutes to establish once, and it forces consistency for decades. It removes emotion. When the market falls, you are not panic selling. You are automatically buying more shares at lower prices. This is how wealth is built. It's simple, it's boring, and it is devastatingly effective. The story of you and Ben isn't a fairy tale. It is a mathematical principle playing out all around us. The difference is rarely genius. It is starting. It is choosing to be the person who starts now. The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is today. Your future self is not begging you, it is depending on you to complete the few simple automated steps required to push that tiny snowball down the hill. 40 years from now, you will not remember the small purchases you skipped, but you will be standing at the bottom of a mountain of wealth you built yourself, one small, consistent step at a time.